Okay, so I've already taken my first trade for the day, and I'm up about 200 bucks. So right here, what I'm looking to get in for a run of yesterday's high, which is the red line. Keeping in mind that the closer we get, the more risk on it is, but I am willing to take that risk for profits. So it's hesitating, but it's not being slapped down. So we know that sellers aren't there just yet. So I'm looking for a momentum move to the upside, and then I'll exit out probably before my target because of the way it's moved. I've seen it move like this plenty of times before. It'll probably do a stop run to the upside and then pull back a little bit before continuing. Well, let's see. So it did what I thought it was gonna do. I tried to get out with 1,000 even, and it gave me about 600, 5 or 600 bucks. So I'm just gonna get back in for the continuation of that move after it pulls back a little bit. I'm thinking that we're too close to yesterday's highs, not to want to run it, but that doesn't always happen. Sometimes it'll get within a couple ticks of yesterday's high or low and just reject. So it looks like it wants to run it. It really wants to run it, but you never really know what's going to happen. But again, I'm willing to take that risk. So I'm in the trade. So we made about 200 bucks on that trade. So I exited out of my trade early and it is making a run for my target, but that is okay because I am still willing to get in for a couple points with two contracts. After this, I am done trading. Um, I just went down negative $1,000 in the trade. I know that it's due for a pullback, but yeah, I'll take the gains once we run this high, and then I will not be trading again after this. Because I should have been patient, flipped to a minute chart, waited for that small pullback, and then got in instead of sitting in drawdown. When I go against my rules like that, I know it's probably best if I just don't trade. And when I start to see more drawdown than what I'm comfortable with losing, it's time to give it up. So my target was hit. I'm up about 1,400 on the day, and I'm okay with that.